Namaste. Welcome to this cleansing and detoxifying yoga flow and meditation. Make sure to have your blocks with you and then meet me in child's pose. So for this you can already use your blocks by placing one under your seat, one under your forehead. If you don't have blocks, don't worry about it. You can also use couch cushions or do without it, that's fine too. So big toes together, sit back on your heels, widen your knees, lower your chest down, place your forehead on the ground and extend your arms out in front of you. Take a deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. Notice how your body feels right now. Keep breathing and then lift the base of your palms up so that you're resting on your fingertips and really stretch out towards the front. Stretch your shoulders, your back. And then place the base of your palms back down. Now on your next inhale, stay in your child's pose, but lift your left arm up and cross it under and over towards your right side. So now you're resting on your left cheek and left shoulder for a gentle twist in child's pose. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, switching sides. As you inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, cross it under and over towards your left side. Rest on your right shoulder and your right cheek. Take a deep cleansing breath. Inhale, back to center to child's pose. Come on all fours, knees directly under the hips, wrists directly under your shoulders. As you inhale, arch your spine, look up. As you exhale, sit back in child's pose with a round spine. Inhale, arching your spine, lift your chin. Exhale, round your spine, sit back on your heels in child's pose. Make this a fluent movement and follow your breath. So as you inhale, you're lowering your belly down, opening your chest, looking up. And as you exhale, you round your spine, sitting back on your heels. Come back to tabletop position. Use your blocks if needed. Step your right foot to the front of your yoga mat, right knee is right above your ankle for a low lunge. Keep the stance short, so don't make it a big low lunge. Then as you inhale, reach your arms up and hold it here, hug your thighs in towards each other. On your exhale, twist from above the waist to your right side and lower your left arm down and place it by the outside of your right knee, and your right hand, place it on your lower back. Take a deep breath in this twist. And inhale, come back to center. Lower only your left hand down and adjust your block level for a twist low lunge. Curl your left toes under and lift your left knee up. So you're reaching your right arm up, stay in your twist and breathe. Exhale, lower your right hand down. And then lower your left knee and the top of your left foot down on the ground. For half splits pose and a nice hamstring stretch. Slowly as you exhale, shift your weight towards the back and straighten out your right leg. Flex your right foot. Use your blocks, so walk along your leg with your blocks. Keep your left hand on your block and we're going to add a twist here. As you exhale, reach your right arm up, open your chest towards the right side, and keep your right hip even with your left hip, so your hips are parallel with the floor. Exhale, lower your right hand down, and then walk with your blocks back into your lunge pose. And you can put your blocks aside, but keep them close by. And then step back into all fours. Let's flow it out with cat-cow pose. Inhale, lower your belly, lift your chin. Exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, lift your gaze, drop your belly down. Exhale, angry cat pose. And as you inhale, come back to center, switching sides. Step your left foot forward into your low lunge. Left knee is right above your left ankle. Scissor your thighs in towards each other, so you can hold it here and use your blocks if needed. Keep breathing. And if you want to take it a step further, as you inhale, reach your arms up. Keep breathing. On your next exhale, twist from above your waist to your left side. Lower your right hand down, place it on the outside of your left knee, and your left hand on your lower back. Take a nice deep cleansing breath in this low lunge and twist pose. On your next inhale, come back to center, lift your arms up. Exhale. Keep your left arm up, but lower your right hand down on the ground or use your block. For an easy twist, curl your right toes under, lift your right knee up. Take a deep breath, and you can look up or down. Well done. On your next exhale, lower your left hand down. And then place your right knee and the top of your right foot on the floor. Slowly shift your weight towards the back and lengthen your left leg. Flex your left foot and adjust your hands and blocks. They're more or less by your left knee. Breathe deeply in your half splits pose. On your next inhale, we'll add a twist. Lift your left arm up, keep your right hand on your block, and keep your hips parallel with the ground. On your exhale, lower your left arm down, come back to your low lunge, and then from there, back to all fours. Let's flow it out. Inhale, arch your spine, lift your gaze. Exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, drop your belly, look up, and exhale, round and contract your spine. And come back to neutral spine, and step your right foot forward, in between your hands. Curl your left toes under, lift your left knee up. Keep your left hand on the floor, your left hand is underneath your left shoulder, and turn your body towards the right side. Reach your right arm up and over for a modified side plank. So your right toes are pointing towards the right, and you're resting on the outer edge of your left foot. As you exhale, lower your left hip down. Inhale, lift your hips up, modified side plank, and exhale, lower your left seat down. Inhale, modified side plank. Exhale, sit down. Inhale, back to modified side plank, and then from there, come back to center. Come back to all fours, and then switch sides. Step your left foot forward into a lunge. Curl your right toes under and lift your right knee up. Then pivot on your left foot and rest on the outside, on the outer edge of your right foot. Bring your left arm up and over for a modified side plank. So remember, your right hand is underneath your right shoulder. As you exhale, sit down. You'll feel a nice side body stretch here. As you inhale, lift up to your modified side plank. Exhale, lower your right seat down. Inhale, lift your pelvis up. Exhale, sit back down. Inhale, back to your modified side plank. Keep breathing. And then very slowly turn back to low lunge. And then take a cross-legged position. For a seated twist, inhale, lift your arms up. And as you exhale, turn your chest towards the right side. Lower your arms down. Left hand is on your right knee, and your right hand is next to your right hip on the floor. Keep breathing. Keep your spine nice and long. This will help compress the organs a little bit, gently massage your internal organs, which helps our digestion and detoxification process. Inhale, lift your arms up, come back to center. Exhale, twist and turn towards your left side. Right hand is on your left knee, left hand is on the floor next to your left hip. Take a deep cleansing breath. And inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, lower your hands down and place your hands on your knees. And let's take a few shoulder rolls. Bring your shoulders forward, up, back and down. Forward, up, back and down. And then switch direction. Bring them towards the back, up, forward and down. Do a few more. And that's it for our shoulder rolls. As you exhale, lower your chin down. Gently roll your right ear towards your right shoulder for a neck stretch. Then roll your left ear towards your left shoulder. Then bring your chin back to center and back up. We're done with our yoga part. Let's get ready for a meditation. Find a comfortable cross-legged position. You can always sit on a block. Lengthen your spine, lengthen the back of your neck. Shoulders are relaxed. And for this meditation, we will use a hand gesture called Apana Mudra. It helps with digestion and detoxification. Bring the tip of your middle and ring finger to the tip of your thumb. Gently apply pressure. Allow your pinky and index finger to be straight. Then rest the backs of your hands on your thighs. Sit up tall. You can close your eyes or softly gaze at the floor. This hand gesture, Apana Mudra, not only helps improve our digestion, it also releases stress and it helps you stay grounded during meditation. Holding this hand gesture helps the energy move downward. We all have life force energy, known as prana, and holding this mudra will help move that energy flow downwards, down towards the earth. And it helps with the elimination process of our digestive system, and for women also with our menstrual cycles. So just hold this mudra and trust that it's doing the work. It's eliminating all the toxins and everything else that no longer serves you. When your digestion is good, it feels good in your body. It also has an effect on your mind. Our bodies and minds are connected. So when you feel clear in your body, you feel clear in your mind. You can take a few deep cleansing breaths and deliberately, with each exhale, direct your out breath, down towards the earth. And focus on letting go of all the toxins, letting go of everything that no longer serves you. Take a long deep breath in through your nose, long exhale out through your nose or mouth. Do a few more. Wonderful. Slowly allow your breath to follow its natural rhythm. I have a few affirmations for you to help the detoxification process. You can softly repeat it after me, or just listen to it and see how it feels to you. As my body purifies, so do my thoughts. I let go of past resentments, mistakes, and negative thoughts that no longer serve me. As my body purifies, so do my thoughts. I let go of past mistakes, resentments, and negative thoughts that no longer serve me. My body awakens to the healing process within. My body awakens to the healing process within. I forgive myself for the unhealthy choices I made in the past. I forgive myself for the unhealthy choices I made in the past. My skin glows as my body purifies and rejuvenates at a cellular level. My skin glows as my body purifies and rejuvenates at a cellular level. Cleansing is a process. I'm patient and watch in amazement at my body's ability to heal and rejuvenate. Cleansing is a process. I'm patient and watch in amazement at my body's ability to heal and rejuvenate. And the last affirmation. My light shines from within. Every cell of my being glows with health. My light shines from within. Every cell of my being glows with health. And let all the affirmations, let it all settle. Then let's finish our meditation. Begin to deepen your breath. You can release your hands and turn your palms facing down, holding onto your knees. Lower your chin down towards your chest. This will help you ground. And then let's seal it together with a deep breath in. Lift your arms up. Deep breath out. Unite your hands in front of your heart in prayer position. You can open your eyes and thank yourself for taking this time to committing to your health and your well-being. May this yoga and meditation practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours.